In this video, let us see how we can perform the mouse hover action using Selenium library. Let us first look at some examples from real-world applications. If we take a look at the Amazon's website, now if I hover my mouse onto this item, we see a white color boundary is getting added. Similarly, if I hover my mouse onto this item, we see a white color boundary get added, and in addition to that, there is also a pop down menu which is displayed. If we go to Myntra's website and see here on the mouse hover, we see a pop down menu is getting added, and we also see a line highlighting the element on which the pop down menu is being shown. Similarly, on the Big Basket website, when we hover the mouse, a red color background gets added, and also the color of the text changes to red color. Here in the orange HRM website, when we hover the mouse on any of these icons, its background changes to orange color. I have created a sample application to show how we can invoke Selenium WebDriver's action class API to perform the mouse hover. In this sample application, when we hover the mouse, the color of the background changes to yellow. We will write a Selenium script which will first perform a mouse hover onto the button labeled as Apple. It will then wait for 2 seconds and then do a mouse hover onto the second button labeled as Mango. Let us now see how we can write this script. Out here, I have created an instance and initialized the Chrome driver. Then I have passed the path of the file to the driver that we will use for the demo. Let us now create an instance of the actions class. It takes driver as an argument. Now we will locate both the elements on which we need to do the mouse hover. Okay, so this would be the XPath for the first button, and this would be the XPath for the second button. Yeah. Similarly, let us locate the second element. Now we will perform the mouse hover action. You could do it by invoking the API move to element which takes the web element as an argument. So first we'll do it for the button 1. After the mouse over, we'll add a sleep for 2 seconds so that we could see it clearly. Now let us perform a mouse over for the second button. Yeah. It is important to note that after we call this method, we need to invoke the API perform, or else the action will not be performed. Let us now execute this program and see if the mouse hover is working. It should now hover the mouse on button 1. Now it should go to button 2. Yes, so it is working as expected. Let me quickly summarize what we did. We created an instance of the actions class by passing the instance of driver to it. Then we invoked the API move to element, and we passed the element on which the mouse over action need to be performed.